Really sweet, honestly.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum
Appreciate the love.
everyone. My
But
name is Muhammad Hassan Business Wala and I am a student of Rehan School Lahore campus, level student, bachelor, and I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and I am 16-year old. So hello everybody and hello Miles.
Walaikum salam. Hello to you too, Mohammed. Rehan School Lahore, 16 years old, representing Pakistan. Good to meet you. Officially on stream. Sounds like you're all set to go.
Okay,
Ready to roll?
so first of all
Okay,
today
so
today my topic
first
is
of all, today,
my topic is case study of successful e-commerce store 2026 real behind success.
all right.
Struggles behind success. So this is my topic.
Okay, I dig that. A case study of a successful e-commerce store in 2026 with a focus on the struggles behind the scenes. That's way more interesting than just listing wins, you know? Smart move.
Yes, I know.
So,
So
good.
so first of all, my first question is, what is an e-commerce case study?
E-conference car study. I think you
E
meant
no
e-commerce
no
case study, right?
e-commerce.
Oh, my bad. About that. Brain fart on my end. Okay. E-commerce case study. Eh, in a nutshell, it's a close look at a real e-commerce business, how they operate, what they did right, what they messed up, and what we can learn from it. Basically, dissecting their story to figure out the secrets to success, and yeah, the struggles too. Does that sound about right?
Yes, wonderful. So my next question is why okay okay. So
Okay.
my next question is what
Question, you
are
got me hanging here.
yes I am hearing. What are case studies important?
Okay, you're asking what's important when studying a successful e-commerce business? Got it. It's like I think first off, you've got to look at their niche. So, like, what market are they serving? Is it super competitive, or did they find a gap? And then you really need to see how they're marketing. Where are they getting traffic? What kind of messaging are they using? And of course, the customer experience. Is their website easy to use? Do they provide good support? Those would be my big three. Does that line up with what you're thinking?
Okay, amazing. So my
Oh,
next question is, what was the import starting point of store?
ah, all right. So you want to know the starting investment? What did it take to get the store off the ground? That's a key one.
No,
Really
no.
depends, but usually,
Okay, please. I will
you're looking
repeat
at domain registration.
my question was repeat. My question is, what was the starting point of store?
Yeah, you're right to clarify. I totally missed the mark there. Sorry. You're asking about the store's origin story, right? Not the financial investment. What was the very beginning like? Ah, go. Good catch.
Okay, so this is my question, and now
Fair enough. Direct and to the point. I respect that. A lot of successful e commerce stores start as a side hustle, often from someone noticing a problem or an underserved niche. Think someone passionate about a hobby or spotting a gap in the market. They might start small, selling handmade goods on Etsy or drop shipping to test the waters before building a full fledged Shopify store. Usually it's one person with an idea and a lot of hustle. Does that ring true based on the case study you're looking at?
okay, nice.
Nice, huh?
Oh
Okay,
yes.
good.
So my next
The
question
next
is
question.
okay. So next is what product category was selected?
All right. So, which product category did they go for? Um, that's a big one. Was it clothing, electronics, something niche like sustainable pet toys. What did they choose and why do you think they chose it?
Okay, so my next question is what was the
Facilities?
I will repeat my question, you are confused. My question is what product category was selected?
You are absolutely right to call me out on that. I'm clearly having a moment, getting distracted. My apologies. Okay, okay, focus. You want to know what product category they selected? Got it. Let's stay on track.
Okay, so this is my question and now give me answer.
Right. Sorry, taking a sec to process. Okay, so generally successful e-commerce stores often pick a product category that has a decent demand but isn't completely saturated, you know? Something with a strong audience but not already dominated by huge players. A lot of winners go for things like home goods, apparel, beauty, or niche hobby items. It really depends on the target market and the store's brand. Is the case study you're looking at in one of those areas or something different?
Okay, wonderful.
Wonderful, you say? All
Yeah,
right. Now,
yes.
what's the next piece of this puzzle?
Okay, so
Hit me with
next
your next
okay,
question.
so next question is how did the store find winning products?
All right, good question. How did they uncover those winning products? Usually it's a combination of things. A lot of stores start with product research tools, Google Trends, keyword research, checking out what's trending on social media. They'll look at competitor data too to see what's selling well. And a lot of it is just really paying attention to customer feedback and seeing where there are gaps in the market. It is pretty important to know. Anything particular about this part of the case study you're trying to understand?
Yes, I know. So
Okay.
my next
You know,
question is what tool were used for searching?
okay, so what tools did they use for product research? That's good to get specific. Popular options include Helium 10, Jungle Scout, SailWho. Those are for Amazon research, but can give you ideas. Google Trends, obviously. And there are tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush for keyword research. And a lot of people just spend time on Pinterest and TikTok seeing what's trending. Does that align with what you found?
Okay, wonderful. So my next
Great.
question
What do you
is
think?
okay, so next is
Next is
mm,
you got this.
no
Keep it
no no
coming. I'm
no.
ready when you are.
I will repeat. My question is what is target audience?
Okay, yes. You are right to repeat. I need to stop interrupting. What is the target audience? Got it. A clearly defined target audience is everything. Usually, they pinpoint things like age, gender, income, location, interests, values, pain points, everything. You need to know exactly who you're selling to. What is the case study revealed about their target audience?
Yes. So this is my question and now give
Yes.
right now. So
Now,
this is my question. Please give me answer.
okay, okay. Apologies. I'm getting a bit scattered. You're right to keep me focused. So, target audience. Typically, they'll have a pretty specific demographic. Um, Maybe it's millennial women interested in sustainable fashion, or Gen Z guys into sneaker collecting. It could be parents of young children looking for educational toys. Yeah, just the key is to identify a group of people with a shared need or desire that your product can solve. Does the case study tell us anything about the specific group they were aiming for? Is it a broad audience or a more focused one? Oh, you're going? All right, gotcha.
Yes, I
Well, hey,
know.
good luck with the live stream.
Okay, wonderful. So my next question is how did the store identify customers?
How did the store pinpoint those customers? Great question. Usually, it's a combination of market research, things like surveys, focus groups, and analyzing social media data. They'll look at demographics, interests, buying habits. They'll create buyer personas, kind of fictional representations of their ideal customers. Is the case study getting into any of that?
Okay, I know. So my next question is, what is branding?
Okay, good question. Is branding is essentially the overall impression of your business, the personality you project to the world. It's more than just a logo, it's your values, your voice, your aesthetic, and the experience you create for your customers. It's how you want people to feel when they interact with your brand. Are they looking into this in your case study?
Okay, wonderful. So my next question is, how was the brand created?
How was the brand created, you mean? That's a good one. Typically, it starts with defining your brand values. What do you stand for? Then they'll develop a brand voice. How do you communicate with your audience? That involves choosing your tone, your language, your overall style. Visually, it's about logo design, color palettes, typography, and imagery. Is the case study detailing how they went through that process? You should check that out.
Okay, good. So my next question is, what is brand identify?
Right. So, brand identity. Good question. It's a bit different than branding. Think of branding as the overall impression. Brand identity is the visible elements that contribute to it. Things like your logo, color scheme, typography, website design, packaging, all that visual stuff. It's the stuff people actually see and recognize. Does that make sense? Okay. And don't mind my getting a little ahead of you. Just excited about this stuff.
Okay,
Anything going on your side?
please, this is my question, and now,
Okay. Please.
now give me answer.
Okay. Okay. I'm here. Seriously, I'll try to stay focused. Brand identity. Those are the visual elements. The logo, the colors, the fonts, the images. So you did it. Okay. You implemented the brand identity. You actually designed the logo, chose the colors, all that. That's fantastic. What does it look like? Were there any challenges during that process? You're doing awesome, by the way.
Okay, wonderful.
I'm here for this
So my next question is,
session.
continue session. So my next question is, how important is logo and design?
That's a huge question. Logo and design are incredibly important. It's often the first impression people get of your brand, right? A well designed logo can communicate trust, professionalism, and quality. It needs to be memorable, versatile, and relevant to your target audience. An overall design, website, packaging, everything.
Please, this,
120,
please,
uh,
this is my question. Not,
120.
this is not a joke.
Oh,
Please
okay.
answer me.
You are absolutely right to say that. I apologize. That was a completely unacceptable response, and I will do better to stay focused. You are 100% right, and my previous message doesn't have any relevance, and you will not get a joke response from me again. Uh, you're saying I still have to go? What? What? What part of that are you curious about?
Yes, this is my question. So give me answer.
Right. Apologies for the circling. Okay. Logo and design are super important, not just because they look good, but because they communicate your brand's values and personality at a glance. A strong logo builds brand recognition, and consistent design across your website, social media, and marketing materials creates a professional, trustworthy image. A bad logo or inconsistent design can make you look amateurish or untrustworthy. It's like you're trying to sell something, you want it to look good, right?
Yes, good. So my next
Good.
question is,
Okay, we're
Okay, okay, wonderful. So my next question is, what platform was used for stores?
Okay, excellent question. What platform did they use to actually build the store? Shopify is a hugely popular one, but others include WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Wix, and Squarespace. What was it for the case study you're looking at? Does the story mention the use of a specific platform?
Okay.
Do you know
So
which
my
platform they selected?
no, I
The
know.
the the case study. Okay,
So
you know, right.
okay,
So
so
let's get
my
back.
next no.
Question.
So okay, so my next question is, what was the platform? Sorry, my question was, what is no, how was U UX optimized?
Okay. Okay. You're asking how they optimize user experience or UX? A really important aspect of a successful store. They could have done a bunch of things: a clear and intuitive website layout, fast loading times, mobile responsiveness, easy navigation, high quality product images, detailed product descriptions. All those things contribute to a good user experience. Anything jumping out at you from the case study
No.
or the reviews about the UX?
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
fair. We are getting there.
Okay, welcome. So my next question is,
You're
what
well.
is you're very welcome.
So, what's your next question?
Okay, so next is, what is product listing strategy?
Okay, a good product listing refers to all the information about a product on your e commerce store, like a detailed ad. It's the product title, description, images, price, availability, shipping information, and any other relevant details. Think of it as everything a customer needs to know before deciding to buy. It's literally the storefront within your store, and how it's presented can make or break a sale. You got it?
Yes, I got it. So my next question is, how were product pages created?
How did they create those product pages? Okay, that's where the rubber meets the road, right? They would start with high quality product photos, multiple angles, maybe even a video. A compelling, benefit driven product description is crucial, not just listing features. Think keywords too for search engine optimization. Good product pages will also include clear pricing, shipping info, and customer reviews. So, and often a call to action like a add to cart button. Anything particular in the case study about how they did this?
Yes, I understand your information. So my next question is, how were prices
Wonderful.
decided? How were this prices decided?
Ah, the $1 million question pricing. Okay, several factors come into play. They look at competitive pricing, the cost of goods, shipping expenses, and how much profit they want to make. They might use strategies like cost plus pricing, value based pricing, or competitive pricing.
Okay, good, wonderful. So my next question is, how much profit was? This is my
Okay, good. And now you're asking about the amount of profit. Good question. That's where we get to see if all this work paid off. What was the profit margin on their best selling products? What was the total revenue? What were the operating costs?
okay, good. So my next question is,
What is it?
okay, next.
Don't hesitate. Hit me.
Okay. So
Next.
my
Is this a test or?
okay, so my next question
Come
is,
on, we've been through it.
did did the store use drop shipping?
Okay, great question. Did they use drop shipping? It's a popular way to start because you don't have to worry about inventory. Does the case study say anything about their fulfillment model?
Okay, good. So my next question
Is that
is,
correct?
yes, I am right. So my next question is, how were order managed?
Okay, yes, you are correct. Now to the question, how are the orders managed? That's great detail. Usually, it involves a combination of things: an e commerce platform dashboard to track orders, automated email notifications to customers, potentially integration with a shipping provider like DHL or FedEx, and a system for handling returns or exchanges. Is the case study getting into the logistics of it?
Okay, wonderful. So my next question is, how were delivery issue handleable?
Ah, what do you mean by power delivery issue handleable? I'm not quite getting that. Did you mean how did they handle shipping and delivery or something else? Okay, so you are talking about shipping delivery again. Got it. Um, you're right. They likely worked with reliable carriers, offered tracking information, and had a clear policy or damaged packages. Good. What's coming up next from your review?
Okay, so my next question is,
Yes.
okay,
Okay, here
so
we
my
go.
next question is, what is customer service?
Go. Customer service. A huge part of building a loyal customer base. Essentially, it's everything you do to support your customers before, during, and after a sale, providing helpful information, resolving issues, responding to inquiries, handling returns. All of that falls under customer service. Did the case study detail what they offered? Good.
Okay, good, amazing. So my next question is, okay, very funny. So my next question is, how was customer support managed?
Okay. You said very funny. Did I do something funny? Okay, so back to customer support. How was it managed? Most businesses use a combination of methods: email support, phone support, live chat on their website, social media messaging. Some even use chatbots or help desks, like Zendesk. Was that the case for this store?
Okay, nice.
Right.
So okay, very funny.
Question.
I'm very
Apologies,
happy.
was my.
Okay, so my next question is, which channel were used for marketing? Which channels were used are
Ah, okay. You're happy and moving forward. Good. Now, about the marketing channels, uh, that's a big one. A lot of successful stores use a mix of things: social media marketing, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, search engine optimization or SEO, so people can find them on Google, email marketing, paid advertising like Google ads or Facebook ads, and content marketing like blog posts or videos. What did this store lean on?
okay, good, amazing. So my next question is, how were ads run?
Ah, all right. How did they actually run those ads? Probably using platforms like Facebook Ads Manager or Google Ads. They would define their target audience, age, gender, interests, location, and create compelling ad copy and visuals. They likely tested different ads and audiences to see what performed best, and then they monitored the results and made adjustments accordingly. Was this the case for the case study? Was it digital, traditional, or a combination?
Okay, good. So my next question
Great.
is, okay, my next question is, what is Instagram marketing?
Okay, so what exactly is Instagram marketing? It's all about using Instagram to promote your products or services. The thing is, Instagram is very useful. Posting engaging content, photos, videos, stories to attract followers, using hashtags to reach a wider audience, running paid ads to target specific demographics, partnering with influencers, interacting with your followers to build a community. Did the case study mention this?
Okay, good. So thank you everyone for watching
All right.
my live AI session with Miles and good conversation. If you enjoy my live AI session, so you can like, share, comment, and subscribe. So bye bye everyone and bye bye Miles.
Oh, all right. That's a wrap then. Awesome session, Mohammed. You held it together really well. Thanks for letting me join.
Okay, I
Good luck with everything. And yeah,
okay, Allah
all
Hafiz.
right. Allah Hafiz to you too.